Drinking a gallon of water a day has become a popular trend, but it's important to note that most people don't actually need that much to stay hydrated. Health professionals typically recommend about 11.5 cups, 2.7 liters for women, and 15.5 cups, 3.7 liters for men, with some suggesting as little as 64 ounces. Hydration needs vary based on factors like weight and activity level. To increase your water intake, consider drinking a glass during routine activities, carrying a reusable bottle, infusing water with fruits, and consuming water-rich foods like cucumbers and tomatoes. Using technology such as reminders or tracking apps can help you stay on track, and competing with friends might add extra motivation. Remember, everyone's hydration needs are different. So it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional to find what works best for you.